Hello and welcome all, dear students. Students, today we shall continue with yet another civics chapter of class 8. In the previous video, we had learnt about the union legislature and the state legislature. As our chapter is the state government, we shall compare the union legislature, the parliament, and the state government. We have seen in the previous video about India and the formation of the states on the basis of language. We had seen that India is a multilinguistic and a multicultural country. In that previous class we had studied about all these things, and today we shall continue the same chapter number 5 of civics, and we shall study about the two state government part, that is the legislative assembly and the legislative council. So let's begin with it. Students, remove your textbook to page number 83. You know, students, that India has 28 states and 9 union territories. But as per the textbook, we shall consider as 29 constituent states and 7 union territories. Let's begin with the state legislature. Like the parliament at the central level, every state has its own legislature. But only 7 states in India have 2 houses, that is bicameral legislature. Maharashtra has a bicameral legislature where it has 2 legislatures, that is the legislative assembly and the legislative council. Like that way, out of 29 states, only 7 states has the bicameral legislature. The members of the state legislatures are known as the member of legislative assembly, MLA, or member of legislative council, that is MLC. Let's see the legislature of Maharashtra. Legislature of Maharashtra has 2 houses, namely Vidhan Sabha, that is legislative assembly, and the Vidhan Parishad, that is legislative council. Students, this chapter is as same as the parliament, having 2 houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We had seen about the tenure of the members of Lok Sabha and their qualifications and how and what are the functions and how it works. So let's begin it with the first house of the state government, that is Vidhan Sabha, legislative assembly. Student, the picture that you can see, that is the Vidhan Bhavan of Mumbai. This is the first house of Maharashtra legislature and it comprises of 288 members. In case there is inadequate representation of the Anglo-Indian community, the governor nominates 1 member from this community in the Vidhan Sabha. Some seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Maharashtra is divided into territorial constituency for the purpose of election. 1 member is elected from each of the constituencies. We give voting to the people at our state level, and the elections which are being given of the different states, it is of different time. But whereas the constituent, or you can say the territorial constituency where the elections are being done, that is being held throughout in India. So, what is the tenure? The tenure of Vidhan Sabha is of 5 years, unlike the Lok Sabha in the parliament. However, in exceptional circumstances, elections can be held before the completion of 5 years. Any citizen residing in Maharashtra and who has completed 25 years of age can contest the election to the Vidhan Sabha. So students, if we see the state legislature of Maharashtra, the qualification of the member of the Legislative Assembly, their powers and the functions of the state legislature, composition of how the state legislature is being formed, limitations of the power of the state legislature, that what are the powers that a state legislature should have, and the officers of the state legislature. Here students, we can see that the head of the country is the president and the real executive power is in the hands of the prime minister. Similarly, over here students, in the state government, the nominal, or you can say the titular head, is the governor. The executive head is the chief minister. The state legislature, which is divided into two, bicameral, that is the Legislative Council and the Legislative Assembly. Thus students, in this video, we have seen about the one house of the state government, that is the Legislative Assembly. The next house, that is Legislative Council, we shall do in the next chapter. So with this student, thank you.